This is a Fox News alert. The prosecution's star witness in the case against the president's former campaign chairman has taken the stand. Peter Ducey is in Alexandria again tonight with the very latest on the Paul Manafort trial. Good evening, Peter.
Good evening, Shannon. One of the first things that Rick Gates, Paul Manafort's former deputy and his business partner told the jury this afternoon was that he did break the law. One of the Mueller prosecutors asked Rick Gates, were you involved in criminal activity when you worked for Paul Manafort? And Gates said yes. He also testified that he did commit a crime and he conspired with Paul Manafort when they filed fraudulent tax returns and failed to file a report of foreign financial accounts known as an FBAR. The Manafort defense team has long planned to attack Gates' credibility by accusing him of going rogue and embezzling money from his boss, Paul Manafort. But Gates just beat them to it and admitted to stealing hundreds of thousands of dollars from his former boss by submitting false expense reports. And even though the jury in this case is constantly told not to do any research on this trial or the main players, Gates just disclosed to them that he was arrested, and he later pled guilty to conspiracy and to lying to the federal agents, and that he made a deal to cooperate with the government before today's appearance. The judge in this case, T.S. Ellis, did say a few days ago that the Mueller team would not be able to prove a conspiracy involving Paul Manafort without hearing from Rick Gates. And now Manafort's former number two is not wasting any time sharing what he saw and heard while serving as Manafort's deputy. Gates advanced today the Mueller team's theory that huge sums of money would be wired from Manafort-controlled companies, then marked as loans instead of income because there's a tax benefit. Gates just told the courtroom when income came in, Mr. Manafort would direct whether it was income or not. And just a few minutes ago, there was quite a scene, quite a commotion in the courtroom once the jury was out, but Paul Manafort was still sitting right there. The judge, T.S. Ellis, really dressed down Mueller's prosecutors because he thinks they are going too slowly with this case and because he essentially accused them of having bad manners and not looking at him while they were being addressed by the judge. Shannon.
He is very firm and feisty. Peter Ducey, live again for us in Alexandria, Virginia. Thank you very much.